here at Pico, about 25 minutes from the main Bologna city centre. Some people call this amusement park of food. They're wrong. Some people call it a supermarket of food.
They're wrong.
It is known as a temple of Italian food.
We're literally in the capital of food. Bologna is the place where the Italians come to eat Italian.
And my old grandmother used to say, Mamma mia, bellissimola.
We are beyond excited to be here, to be inside Fico. How about a couple of Theodora's finest facts right in the beginning to really get you going? We're standing in a covered 100,000 square meters of Italian food. So here they do not only let you taste the food and buy the food and enjoy the food, but they show you the process of how they make it, how many generations they have done it this way, and how best to eat it. Okay, we are speaking my language in this one. So some of these parmesans that we're going into this vault, shall we call it?
Like a cabo of the bank.
Yes, it's like a parmesan bank. Whoa, the smell! Like, some of these cheeses have been aging here for 92 months. Can you imagine? So here is one for 2004. 2003! Can you imagine? Oh my gosh. These cheeses are like 2014. They're so old. Can you imagine what they taste like? Like, the smell is intense.
Okay, so we're trying 32-month aged parmesan. So the way you do it, you've got to break it in half, then you have to smell it. Oh, it smells so good. And then you taste. Oh yeah. Oh, so much taste inside of there. Okay, once in a lifetime chance. This is 72 months old parmesan.
Straight away I can feel the 72-month-old a lot harder. Oh my god. Whoa. Yes. Oh, the taste is like through the roof. Oh, but it is still kind of sweet.
Guys, don't tell anyone, but they've brought out a 96-month-year-old piece of parmesan. 8 years.
Oh, you saved me some. Give me some.
Oh wow. That's deep. That's rich.
Oh.
Very hard, very kind of like breaks straight in your mouth, like crumbles. But that is, oh, if you're a cheese lover,
oh my god,
this
come
is
here.
the place.
Okay, we've come to one of the stores in Pico here that has every main cheese from the Italian region. And I'm currently holding a goat blue cheese. And behind the camera where Graham is standing is the actual factory where this is all produced. So we'll be trying, for example, mozzarella that was made yesterday. Now, where can you do that? It's amazing. I'm gonna try this. Oh my god. Oh, Graham. This is insane. Like, no joke, no joke.
Obviously we can't try any of the meat because we don't eat meat, but we can try all of the cheese. It's so creamy. It tastes like yogurt. Like, it's so soft and creamy.
Currently on the tour, exploring the 100,000 square meters of FICO Eataly World. This place is so big that you can actually rent a bike to get through the entire place. What is also fun is that they have electric scooters. I'm off. Bye bye. We have a very special fountain right here. I described it as the Nutella fountain, but that is nowhere near what this is. This quality is like up here. Usually Nutella has about 200 ingredients, but this hazelnut fountain has only 4 ingredients. Right here behind us is the system where they roast it, they work their magic right here. And that's the thing here, like everything is like so homemade, so pure, so traditional, and you can taste it. So this is what we refer to as confetti. Now it actually stems from the 17th century. And this particular company is the 6th generation who's making it. It's the OG. I've just tried the traditional sugared almond. Can't beat it, delish. So the tradition of confetti started, of course, in the wedding seasons. You know, that's where the Jordan almonds come from, where you spread the confetti. Now it's become a whole nother business with flavors, beautiful bouquets as gifts, and still, of course, a traditional wedding party favor.
Okay, so we cannot come to Italy, the temple of food, and not have pizza. This is mozzarella and tomato and basil. I mean, look at that. Look at the base. This isn't your Domino's, this is proper Italian. The base, light and fluffy, you can see how thick it is. The basil, fresh mozzarella. Okay, so we've had some pizza, epicness, but guys, we are now gonna go and make pasta in Italy.
Oh my god.
You cannot get better than this. They actually do quite a few courses here, and one of them is obviously making pasta. So they're ready for us. I can't wait for this.
Me too. Let the pasta be made. Mamma mia, favale. The butterfly. Nailed it. It's coming home with us to Thailand.
That looks epic, I'm proper proud of it.
Are you
Look
proud
at
of
it.
it?
Amazing.
Wife material. Any Italian food you can think of, it's here. And not only will it be the item, it will be the best maker of the item, the highest quality and the best ingredients. We're here at the truffles. So I'm gonna get myself a little truffle oil, I think. This is so fun. You grab a piece of wool, you stick your seed in and you place it in the tray, you scan the code and you follow it all the way to the end to see how long it takes to grow. And it's kind of to showcase how long it takes for something to grow and to keep growing.
Okay, our friend back in Thailand, where we're going back in a few days' time, loves panettone, so we're gonna get him one. Oh, look at that beautiful box. Italiano. Mwah.
So soon the ceremony of lights is starting. They're turning on the Christmas light. That is a very interesting Theodora's finest fact. The mayor of Scorano is actually turning on the lights. If you Google Scarano lights, you'll see the most amazing pictures, and all the lights that we see here are actually handmade in the Scarano style. In FICO, there is 100,000 lights to be exact. Isn't that amazing? So cool. Okay, we got the gospel choir, getting the carols on the go. I'm in the mood. All the lights have gone off. They're about to be turned on. 100,000 lights right here, starting Christmas. The lights have been turned on. It's amazing. You really need to be here to really feel all the lights. But this is the official start of Christmas.
Okay, we had an amazing time here today. We've tried some amazing Italian food. Christmas has officially started for us.
Yes.
The first turn on of the lights in 2019. The Christmas
Amazing.
Spirit is full on.
Yes.
Guys, if you're in Bologna, make sure you check this place out.
Oh my gosh, yes.
And make sure you try as much Italian food, because this is the heart of Italian food.
I feel like FICO and its Italian food has captured my heart. Love it.
See you later, guys.
Bye. White chocolate with rum and cinnamon on the outside. Oh my god, really tastes the rum.
Oh yeah. Oh, so much taste inside of that. It's so creamy, light and fluffy. You can see how thick it is. The basil, fresh mozzarella.